Meccano multi models set number 7530. It's got in it 352 parts. It builds 30 models, comes with a 6-volt motor. Here's all the parts here. Come in packets like this, so you have to check them out. This is an example of what's in your set. Value for money, I would say yes. And also your motor is in a packet, but you have to build your motor up for your models. And an interesting thing now, before I start the new model, is your manual. On the front cover here it says motion system. Interesting. So since last month I did the rotavator, planting my vegetables, so this month it is now time to cut the grass, to build now the lawnmower. So let's go to the model. Off we go. Here's the model completed. What can I say about it? Well, it's a decent size, got decent weight in it. Forward and reverse switch. Let's have a look underneath. Got your normal rotor blade, which is very close to the floor. Got a driving band here connected onto your motor, and it goes along to your back wheels onto another pulley wheel. It goes along fast. Let's have a quick show here. Okay, so that's pretty well fast for the model. Notice it's no tyres on it. It reminds me of a petrol lawnmower. So can we improve on this model? Let's find out. Off we go. Here's the model, what I've done to it to improve its looks, the petrol lawnmower. I've added an extra mudguard here and here, a little exhaust pipe here, the petrol mower, cover for the motor, the back plate. Now I had to alter this bit here, plate, just bring it down by 1 hole. Now to get your tyres on, in your set you'll have 2 of these. So what I've done is put one here, and that'll expand it by 1 hole each side. Then you can get your tyres on. On the pulley wheel on the back axle there, I had to alter to a smaller version to help the driving band, put less tension onto it. That's all I've done to improve on the model. So it's time to cut the grass. So thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.